So sometimes users forget to crop their logos, and it's really important to crop your logo because sometimes you get your logo and it doesn't look right. It looks like it's cropped or chopped off like this. So you want to go ahead and go to the bottom, and you want to go ahead and crop your logo like this. And let's go ahead and crop the bottom as well. I'm going to move this and move that down. Let's get rid of this and crop it. There you go. And I'm going to pull this over just a little bit. Looks like the screen was a little bit long on this one here. So let's move this crop area over. There it is. And let's crop it there. So sometimes if the screen was originally bigger, then you have to just kind of move this around, this crop area. But once you get it where you want it, and I would add a little bit of space on some of these little things here. And a little bit of space there, and then press crop when you're done, and then press save, and then now you could download it. But just make sure to crop it correctly before you save it. It's always a good practice.